Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here today to do a handbag unboxing as well as an SLG unboxing, and I cannot wait to share it with you. So if you're interested, continue to watch. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. As promised in my previous video, I have said I had a handbag coming and I have it right here. I'm so excited. I just got it a few days ago. I actually also just received another handbag that I purchased back in October. It took a long time. I'll save that story for a later time, but I believe it is a very cute option and very affordable option as well. So I will also do that unboxing soon. So definitely subscribe if you haven't, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified of that video. Today's unboxing is from Oleada and I have unboxed their items on this channel before. In fact, I just did a review of one of the bags that I've been using all summer, and this one's exciting for me because it's a whole new style that I have not tried from them yet. So maybe you can guess what it is, maybe you'll just wait and find out, but let's get started. Oh, it's heavy. So this is the box that it came in. Oops, upside down. But it is much bigger than usual. So I'm gonna like cut into this and then bring it out because it's hard to show you while trying to be on camera. Oh my goodness, this is massive. So this is the box that I'm usually used to seeing, but you can see that it is much bigger than usual. Maybe this will give you a hint as to what this is. I've worked with Oleada for a long time now and I am so pleased with all of their bags, so I can't wait to see how this one goes. Let's get into it. Oh, I love the colors. Ooh, I already see one item here. It's a little SLG. There's a little booklet like usual describing their items. And the dust bags. If you've been here before, you'll know that this dust bag is very special to Oleada. It is actually a little tote bag, so it doesn't cinch, but oftentimes you can fold it over. And I've said before, I do find that this is actually really good for travel because if I wanted to protect the bag, I could put it in this bag and I could just like grab it and go. Versus with the drawstring ones, you can't, there's no handle to do that. So let's reveal this bag and I can tell you a little bit more about the details. Ta-da! Wow, okay. I am a little surprised because I'm looking at this right now and it's not as burgundy. So this is a burgundy colored tote. It is their anchor tote and it is in the burgundy color. It also comes in black, but in the picture online, it seemed a lot more burgundy. I actually preferred it to not be as burgundy because I think it is not, there's nothing wrong with burgundy, but I do feel a little bit more like it's for the fall and winter time versus this one seems a little bit more brown to me. And I think that one's more year round. So and it matches more of my outfits. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. Let's see, there are some tags here. I'm just giving a quick look over. This is the Oleada Anchor Tote, and it is the first tote bag that I have from this brand. Other bags I have in the anchor style is this. This is the mini anchor. I have this in two different materials, so this one and then there's a full leather one up there, and I have the anchor regular size bag as well in a two-tone material and color. And so yeah, now I have the anchor tote. Oleada bags are designed in New York and they are crafted with very luxurious material, and oftentimes there are very sustainable and eco-friendly materials. This one in particular is made of vegan, cruelty-free leather, and it is, I mean, just touching it, I cannot tell at all that it is not real leather. It feels like pebbled leather, and I am just so surprised about it. It feels just like the pebbled leather that I have here. This one's actually made from leather that was saved from the food industry because there's a lot of waste in the food industry, so they've repurposed it from there. Oleada also does a lot of work-inspired, work-appropriate bags, such as this one, but I found it to also be very appropriate for travel, and I'll show you right now that there is a pass-through here, which I can talk a little bit more about it. If you're not familiar with all of their bags, I have shown a bunch on my channel, but they did release a work style avatar quiz, which you can, check it out, answer questions, and then they'll recommend bags that are fit for you. I will link that quiz below. It's kind of fun. It's only 2 minutes long, but I really do like that all of their bags do not compromise on style and function. You get both of those things, and the whole thing feels like a very premium material and just design. So let's talk about this bag. This one has 2 top handles, as you can see here. They're actually very thick, so that if I were to just wear it, it does not feel like it digs into the shoulder. So that's really good. It also has a very laid back look. There's nothing flashy on it. The only logo there is right here in the very back. And I really like that it has a zipper top. So this tote, as you can see, comes with a zipper, and oh my goodness, did you hear that? The zipper, so smooth, and the little things, and right now it's stuffed, so let me just remove all these. Okay, so the inside is lined with their micro eco suede. So it is a man-made material, but it's made from recycled material. And as you can see already, it is a huge bag. It has so many compartments as well. You'll see that there is a zipper pocket in the back here, right there. So you can fit a lot of your more, more special or secured items there. And then outside of that pocket, you can see that there are 3 different sized slip pockets, and so you can put your pens, your wallet, just anything that you need it to hold in a secure spot. And then on this side, you can see that there is a laptop padded sleeve. Now, my Wavia backpack that I currently use for my work bag does also have this padded sleeve area. I have a 14-inch laptop, so it actually doesn't fit in my Wavia one, but this one I think will fit. So I'll do a what fits in here really quick so that you can kind of see in case you have a larger laptop. I have read that this bag can fit up to a 17-inch in the middle section, and in the padded compartment right here you can fit up to a 15-inch laptop, so it's very generous. There's also a very long key strap, so in case you have keys or anything else like a pouch that you wanted to carry and not get lost, you can clip it to here. So there we are. It is very spacious, like I said, but it is also compartmentalized so that you don't lose anything in like this space. On the outside, there is this pass-through slip, which allows you to easily put it onto your suitcase. If you have a suitcase where there's a handle, you can easily slip that through there so that this doesn't fall around. If you see my recent Coach unboxing of the Empire bag, I ultimately returned that bag because I have found that there's no way to easily hold that bag on the suitcase. And so this is one of the perks. And one thing that I don't think you can tell just by looking at this bag is that there's actually a secret compartment. So here, you see this? You can easily put in, well, I put in my hand, but you can also easily put in your phone or something that you need quick access to. So there is no zipper area. It's just like a slip pocket. So it does go in pretty deep. I would say, yeah, you can actually fit quite a bit in here. Haven't figured out what I would do yet with it, but probably for my phone, yeah. And the last thing I wanted to point out here is that there are these D-rings, as you can see, and these D-rings allow you to clip a strap to go across. I thought this bag came with a strap, but now I'm gonna go check it out because it seems like on the website it said the weight with the strap, but mine did not come with a strap. So I'm just gonna double check with the brand, but you can put any strap you want on it, which is great. So if you have a very comfortable strap that you're used to, you can easily attach it here and then you can wear it like crossbody. And now put on screenshots of me wearing it different ways, but of course you can wear it, you know, on the shoulder like this. It's very comfortable. The drop is quite large, so even with a large winter coat, it would be fine. And if you put on the crossbody strap, you can wear it crossbody, and you can of course hold it as a, you know, on your hand or on the crook of your arm. So it is very versatile, and it can definitely hold a lot. So let me go into what items I would fit in there. Oh, actually, before I do that, let me show you the other item in this package. So this guy is an SLG. This is actually one of their toiletry pouches, and I don't have anything that is accessory from this brand, so I thought it'd be good to check it out, especially because the tote is so big. It seems like this will help with more compartmentalization. So just so you can see, this one is in a two-tone color. This one I think is the same burgundy color. Yeah, look. Matching. But there's also this one. So I love the feeling of this. Again, this is the same material. It feels so much like real leather, but it is vegan leather. And there is a very smooth zipper. And on the inside, ooh, it's not, so usually with all of the bags that I have from Oleada, it is this micro suede material. This one's actually I'm guessing it's the same pebbled vegan leather, but it feels a lot more wipeable. And I guess that is appropriate because if it's a toiletry pouch, you want something that could be wiped up. So you can see that there is one slip pocket here, and then the rest of it is just one spacious compartment. So you can definitely use this as a toiletry pouch, but I also noticed there are these D-rings. I don't know if you can see, but there's one right there, and there is, oh, where did it go? Ah, there it is. There's one right there. So again, you can wear this as a little crossbody pouch. You can put a short chain on it, and you can wear it like as a shoulder bag. So if you were to bring this with you in your tote, you can go out to lunch with just a smaller bag. And this one can definitely fit so many things. I have my phone here. This is my Pixel 8, and you can see it's just like a drop in the bucket. You could put so much. I have a water bottle around, so this one is a 12 fluid ounce water bottle, and look at that. It's just, there's so much space. I don't think you can stand it up. Yeah, it definitely can't close, but if you put it down on its side, there's just so much space. I just can't wait to start using this for travel because I just know it's going to be so durable, fits so much, be able to be used for so many things, and yeah, look how squishy it is too. Let's put some items into this pouch and the bag to give you an idea what it can fit. So definitely take advantage of the sale going on right now. My code ANGELEYN will get you 25% off this bag, plus anything on their website, 25% off. If you buy a handbag, you also get a $100 gift card with my code that you could spend at a later time, and also a free gift with purchase. So I'll link below and also put my code ANGELEYN below. Please do consider using it if you are going to take advantage of the sale. So just showing you this pouch, I am able to fit a foldable keyboard here, as you can see, with a mouse pad. So this is something that I bring on travel work days, and it could fit so nicely in here. If I also wanted to, I could fit my pochette in here. This is the mini pochette from Louis Vuitton. Can easily also put in my headphones. If I wanted to, I could probably also put in my sunglasses, because look, but I'm going to put the sunglasses outside of the bag. Inside the tote, you can see that there is a padded compartment for your laptop. I have a 14-inch laptop, MacBook Pro, and that slips in there so easily. You can see that there's actually a lot of space right here, and that space allows you to put up to a 15-inch laptop. So there are these buckles that you can attach to hold your laptop in place, but if you have a larger laptop, you can also put it in the center compartment. And I can show you with my 13-inch, of course it'll fit, but you can see that there's plenty of room. This pouch that we filled just now can also pop into here with plenty of space to spare. I have a notebook, so I'm also going to put that in here. And like I said earlier, I'd rather have my sunglass case outside of the pouch, and a water bottle, which is the 12-ounce one that I have here. And then if you have a card holder or wallet, that can fit very easily into one of these slip pockets right here. So you can see that that fits there. And there's still tons of space that I could fit other random things, such as a scarf or like a beanie if it gets cold. But yeah, there's just so much space. Of course, it will get heavy. So this feels pretty heavy because I have 2 laptops in here, but you could see for size, it does fit everything that you could possibly want. And that closes it very securely. Just to also show you again my phone, I can slip it into this secret compartment up in the front, right there. And it is pretty secure. There's no, zipper, but there's a notch where you could push down, and let's see if it falls out. Yeah, see, if I do this, it doesn't fall out. I have to like wiggle it out. So yeah, that's a very, very good feature to have, because now you're able to quickly get into the, your items without having to open this zipper compartment. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I kind of went through a lot of things, so if you have any further question, leave it in the comments below. I do want to point out that I have a special code for you, and during Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale, this code runs at 25% off everything on their website, which means this bag will drop from $475 down to $350. But any of the other items that you see, for example, this pouch, it will now be like $80-something with my code ANGELEYN. And a lot of these previous bags that I have mentioned here, which I'll link below, you can actually get quite on sale. This one in particular is already on sale 40% off. If you use my code, which gives you a 25 additional % off, it brings this one down to like $200 some, which is crazily good. In addition to the 25% off entire site, you will also get a $100 gift card to use later this year if you make any handbag purchase. That is $100 free to use on anything else later. And if you click on the link and use my code specifically, you will also get a free gift with purchase during this time. I know there's like some stuff on the website as well. If you can use my link and code, that would be very helpful, and you get an extra free gift that you do not get on the website. So yes, take advantage of these sales and deals with my code and link. It runs until December 2nd, 2024. So I hope you guys are able to pick up something nice. I will do a updated review of this bag like I usually do once I get 2 or 3 months wear out of it. So if you're interested in that, definitely stay tuned at a later time. And if you have any questions that you want me to address at that later video, do leave it in the comments below. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.